Alright guys, so for today's video, we're going to be flying the extremely out of focus DJI Mini 2 without a cell phone. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, let's go ahead and power on the remote as well as the drone. I'm going to go ahead and power on the drone now. Okay, so the drone is powered on. Remote's powered on. We're going to give them a couple seconds to just kind of pair up, and should be ready to go. We're just going to go ahead and get the propellers running so you can see them and you can hear them. There we go. Now I don't have the prop guards on, so I'm not going to go crazy with this. If anything, we're just going to take off. And that's about it. So yeah, guys, flying the DJI Mini 2 without a cell phone. Just gonna go ahead and land this now. Cool. So there we go. So hope that helps. Stay safe and thanks for watching.